The most restrictive abortion law in the U.S. is now in place in Texas. That law went into effect yesterday, and then last night, the Supreme Court denied an emergency appeal which would have blocked the law. More on that ruling here in just a moment. In the meantime, our ABC 10 News reporter Natay Holmes breaks down the law itself and how we could see its impact here in California.
It's called the Fetal Heartbeat Bill. The controversial law bans abortions after a fetus heartbeat is detected, which typically is around 6 weeks. Those who oppose the Supreme Court's decision say many women don't find out they're pregnant until after that time. There are no exemptions to the law, including cases of rape or incest. This law is also being called the most restrictive because of its enforcement. It relies on private citizens to enforce the law, according to USA Today. The order allows people to sue abortion providers or anyone involved in, quote, aiding and abetting abortions. This would include anyone driving a person to an abortion clinic, among other things. The person suing could receive up to $10,000. In a statement from Planned Parenthood affiliates of California, it says, in part, the inaction by the Supreme Court on a blatantly unconstitutional ban has taken away a crucial right to millions of people in Texas and without a doubt threatens their ability to make decisions about their body, their lives, and their futures. PPAC goes on to say over the course of last year, Planned Parenthood health centers throughout California saw more than 7,000 out-of-state patients. With that, the organization believes California's role as a reproductive freedom state is even more crucial. Natay Holmes, ABC 10 News.
As we mentioned, the Supreme Court refused to block Texas's abortion ban in an unsigned opinion. The majority wrote that while the plaintiffs raised serious questions regarding the constitutionality of the Texas law, quote, they had not met a burden that would allow the court to block it at this time. Chief Justice John Roberts joined the three liberals in dissent, arguing the court needs more time to examine the statute. Justice Sonia Sotomayor expressed deep frustration in her dissent, calling the majority's order stunning. And President Biden slammed the court's move and called it an unprecedented assault on a woman's constitutional rights. The White House is now launching a whole-of-government effort in response.
The president has every hope, expectation that the leaders of agencies across the government who have capacity will seek every way they can, every means they can to protect a woman's right to choose in Texas.
Proponents of reproductive rights are also calling for federal action.